Most people work hard for money, but the wealthy, they make money work for them. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want to build real financial freedom, then pay attention. Welcome to ElevateMe Finance, where we break down wealth-building strategies step by step. Today, we're revealing the top 5 money traps keeping you poor and how to escape them. Let's get started. The number 1 money trap? Spending everything you earn. Most people live paycheck to paycheck because they have no system in place for saving or investing. Here's how to escape this trap. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings investments. Automate your savings, pay yourself first. Cut out non-essential expenses that don't bring real value. Depending on one paycheck is risky. If your job disappears, so does your income. The rich never rely on a single source of money. Instead, they build multiple streams of income, such as investing in dividend stocks, passive income that grows over time, starting an online business, low startup costs, high potential, rental properties, building wealth through real estate. Not all debt is bad, but most people don't know the difference. Bad debt, like credit card debt, keeps you poor. Good debt, like a loan for an appreciating asset, helps build wealth. To escape bad debt, pay off high-interest debt first. Avoid financing things that lose value. Use debt strategically to acquire income-generating assets. The biggest regret of most wealthy people? Not investing sooner. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from compound growth. Simple ways to begin. Invest in index funds, low risk, high reward over time. Buy fractional shares of strong dividend stocks. Set up a Roth IRA or other tax-advantaged accounts. The rich never stop learning about money. They read books, take courses, and stay ahead of trends. If you want to be financially free, commit to lifelong learning. Top resources. The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. If you want to escape the rat race, it starts with action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to start is now. Pick one of these traps, make a change today, and set yourself on the path to financial independence. Success is predictable when you follow the right strategies. Subscribe to ElevateMe Finance for more money hacks and wealth-building tips. See you in the next video.